Hello, today I will be comparing Mr.Coffee Programmable Coffee Maker versus Hamilton Beach 12 Cup Programmable Drip Coffee Maker. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Brewing options is Thai, capacity is Thai, material build is Thai. Brews range control, Mr.Coffee is better. Programmable features is Thai. Water reservoir is Thai. Key form function is Thai. After shut off it's Thai. Dimensions is Thai. Ease of cleaning it's Thai. Care of type it's Thai. Price Hamilton Beach is better. Special features Mr.Coffee is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be Mr.Coffee Programmable Coffee Maker. The link to buy it is in the video description.